The two most important devices you need for Blender is number one, your mouse, which must have a scroll wheel so that you can navigate around the viewport, and number two, your keyboard with a dedicated number keys row. So now your keyboard mustn't be professional looking external keyboard like me. If your laptop has a dedicated number keys row, that can work perfectly. But for people like us that use Mac, I don't know, Mac doesn't have a dedicated number keys row, so you have to make do with external keyboard, or you can actually just emulate the number keys row. You can just tell Blender in your settings to emulate the number keys row, but personally I don't like doing that, so I just like going with external keyboard, or whenever I'm going out I just use this little tiny keyboard that is just only number keys. You can just get this online, it can work for you. So now here in Blender, this is a rocket that I'm currently modeling before I decided to do this tutorial. So if you can see down here, you will see there's an icon that shows every keystroke that I make, so that you can flow along with me and see every keystroke that I make. We are going to look at the number key 1 all to 9, and also the number key period and the number key plus and minus. The number key period zooms in and focus on a selection. Let's say just like our rocket model, I'm working on it and I just want to focus on the window part alone. All I have to do is just to select the window part, hit the period, the number key period, and to just zoom in on that window part and focus on it. Simple and straightforward. The number key 1 switches to the front orthographic view. This is just saying that it switches the front part of your model. Let's say I'm working on this rocket model and I just want to see only the front view alone. Just seeing the front part of it. You're looking at the front of the model. All I have to do is just to hit the number key 1 and it will just switch to the front view alone. Simple and straightforward. Now the same thing with the number key 3. This just switches to the left orthographic view, just showing the left part of your model alone. Very simple and straightforward. The number key 7 switches to the top orthographic view. I love this number key 7 so much because I don't have to start fizzling with my mouse so much. You're viewing the model from above. So all I have to do is just to hit the number key 7 and it will just show me the top view of the model. Now the number key 9 is the sweetest part of these whole keys. It just does the inverse of whatever view that you're in. Let's say the number key 9 flips the image to the opposite direction. Let's say I am in the left orthographic view and I just want to see the right orthographic view. All I have to do is just to hit the number key 9 and just flip the model, flip the view to the opposite side. Simple and straightforward. The number key 4 and 6 just rotates right or left around the object. This is just like you're panning your view around the model left or right. Same thing with the number key 2 and 8. It just rotates around the object, but this time around is rotating up and down, like just rotating up and down. Okay, simple, straightforward. Now the number key plus and minus is quite straightforward. It just zooms in and out of your viewport. Quite simple. Now don't forget to like the video and share it to your friends. If you have any question, you can comment down below. I promise I'll read the comments and I can probably make a video out of your question. Now we're planning to post more on this channel weekly, strict posting on this channel weekly, so we're going to be uploading more videos. So stay tuned and make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.